In this video, we will show you all the features included in the File Manager area from the Ranger Neos web server. Once we access to the File Manager, we will see all the information stored in the meter, organized by folders, named according to their corresponding installation name. Inside those folders, you can find antenna profiles, captured spectrum traces, channel plans, coverage analysis files, data loggers, dissect commands, screen captures, recorded transport streams, etc. If you right-click on any of those files, the web server will give you several options. Opening the file from your computer, if you have an associated application that supports that file format, downloading the file to your PC, edit the file, in case it is a channel plan, with the web server's channel plan editor, and create a report from a data logging file. We will see one example by opening one screenshot stored in the meter. And another example, downloading a transport stream file that was recorded in the meter's internal memory. Note that it is possible to download a full folder by right-clicking on the folder of interest and choosing Download. The folder will download as a zipped compressed file. By right-clicking on an empty area of the File Manager window, you can as well change the file view mode and sort the file in different ways. It is possible as well to copy resources from the PC to the meter by drag and dropping the corresponding file onto the File Manager window.